In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Stripe to Jotform. This process is straightforward, allowing you to seamlessly integrate payment processing into your forms. Now, let's dive into the steps you need to follow to get this set up correctly. To begin with, you'll need to open the form you want to integrate with Stripe. Start by logging into your Jotform account. Once you're logged in, head over to the My Forms section. Here, you'll see a list of all the forms you've created. Select the form you wish to edit and click on Edit Form. This will open your form in the Form Builder, which is the main workspace where you can modify and customize your form elements. With your form open in the Form Builder, you'll need to add the Stripe integration. To do this, navigate over to the form elements on the left side of the screen. Click on Payments, which will display a list of available payment processors. From this list, locate Stripe and simply drag it onto your form. This action will add a payment field to your form, which is essential for processing payments using Stripe. The next step is to connect your Stripe account to Jotform. Click on the payment field you just added. This will reveal a wand icon, which stands for Payment Settings. Clicking on this icon will open up a new panel. Here, look for and click on Connect with Stripe. You will then be prompted to log in with your Stripe account credentials. Once you've entered your details, you may need to authorize Jotform to access your Stripe account. After authorization, you should see the status change to Connected, indicating a successful connection. Now that your Stripe account is linked, it's time to configure the payment settings according to your specific needs. In the Payment Settings panel, you'll have several options to fine-tune. First, choose the currency in which you wish to conduct transactions. After selecting your currency, decide on a payment type. You have the option of setting this to products, donations, or user-defined amount, depending on what suits your form's purpose. Add your products, descriptions, and prices if you are selling items or services. You can also set up additional options such as tax, coupons, or subscriptions should they be relevant to what you are offering through your form, and there you have it. Those are the necessary steps to link Stripe to Jotform and configure it according to your preferences. It's a powerful combination that enables you to process payments efficiently directly through your forms. Whether you're managing sales, collecting donations, or offering subscriptions, this integration simplifies payment processing, thus enhancing the functionality and professionalism of your forms. Make sure to save all your changes, and you're good to go.